Rusia merilis perkembangan terbaru operasi militer di Ukraina Selasa 12 April. Juru bicara Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia Mayor Jenderal Igor Konasenkov menyebut operasi melucuti peralatan militer atau demilitarisasi Ukraina terus digencarkan. Pada malam hari, rudal berbasis udara dan laut berpresisi tinggi menghancurkan satu depot amunisi dan satu hanggar dengan pesawat Ukraina di lapangan terbang militer Starokonstantinov, wilayah Khmelnytsky, serta satu depot amunisi di dekat Gavrilovka di wilayah Kiev, kata Igor dikutip Tribun Timur. Angkatan Udara Rusia juga beraksi dengan menyasar 32 aset militer Ukraina. Di antaranya, satu sistem rudal anti-pesawat Buk M1 di dekat Novomihailovka, satu radar untuk penerangan dan panduan sistem rudal anti-pesawat S-300 di dekat Zolotarevka, serta satu pos komando dan 18 area konsentrasi peralatan militer Ukraina. Sistem rudal anti-pesawat Rusia menembak jatuh dua kendaraan udara tak berawak Ukraina di udara dekat Berdiansk dan Melitopol. Secara total, 130 pesawat dan 99 helikopter, 244 sistem rudal anti-pesawat S-300, Buk M1, OSA AKM, 443 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 2.139 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya sudah hancur. Sebanyak 241 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 917 artileri lapangan dan mortir, serta 2.046 unit kendaraan militer khusus angkatan bersenjata Ukraina dihancurkan selama operasi, kata Igor dikutip Tribun.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continued a special military operation in Ukraine. During the night, high-precision air and sea-based missiles destroyed one ammunition depot and one secure hangar with Ukrainian aircraft at Starokonstantinov military airfield, Khmelnytsky region, as well as one ammunition depot near Gavrilovka in Kiev region. Operational tactical aviation of the Russian aerospace forces hit 32 military assets of Ukraine, among them one Buk M1 anti-aircraft missile system near Novomikhailivka, one radar for illumination and guidance of S-300 anti-aircraft missile system near Zolotarevka, as well as one command post and 18 areas of Ukrainian military equipment concentration. Russian air defense means shot down 2 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles in the air near Berdyansk and Melitopol. In total, 130 aircraft and 99 helicopters, 244 anti-aircraft missile systems S-300 Buk M1 OSA AKM, 443 unmanned aerial vehicles, 2,139 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 241 multiple launch rocket systems, 917 field artillery and mortars, as well as 2,046 units of special military vehicles of the armed forces of Ukraine were destroyed during the operation. On April 11, in Mariupol, the remnants of Ukrainian troops surrounded on the territory of Illicha plant made unsuccessful attempt to break out of the city at night. A group of up to 100 Ukrainian soldiers on armored vehicles tried to fight their way out of the plant and leave the city in northern direction. Air and artillery strikes foiled this breakthrough attempt. 3 Ukrainian tanks, 5 infantry fighting vehicles, 7 vehicles and up to 50 military personnel were destroyed. Another 42 Ukrainian servicemen voluntarily laid down their arms and surrendered.